and you could go back to it. 604, please.
Anas radiallahu anh passed by some children and greeted them by saying Assalamu alaikum to them. Then he said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do the same.
Right, so this is a practice for the adults, is to see that there's a recommendation here manifested in the Prophet ﷺ's action, is to say salam to the youngsters, the youth, the children, and also to train them to abide by the Islamic etiquettes. And this is what the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, they used to follow the Prophet of Allah. So Anas did the same thing what the Prophet of Allah used to do. So this shows the keenness of the Sahaba to follow the steps of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And when you, as an adult, say salam to the children, this will break your arrogance. This is from the sign of humbleness. And it will actually make the child jump up and down. He feels like, subhanAllah, I'm worth something, that this man is giving me consideration. When I was a child, when somebody, an adult, would give me some sort of attention, I will never forget that as a child. I'll never forget that. So the children, they need that sort of elevation. That's why one of the things that you give to the children is the kunya. Children, you call him Abu Muhammad. He's still a young boy. Abu Muhammad. He thinks he's an adult. So that's one of the etiquettes to make the children learn it. So when you have a child, name him and give him what? A kunya. As the Prophet used to give kunya. What is the kunya of Aisha radiallahu anha? Abdullah. So the kunya is one of those things as well for the children. And as I said, making the salam from the older to the younger, it will make the younger follow the same example when he grows up, and also train him onto the Islamic salam and salutation. And it will leave in the heart of the child something there that he will never forget, which is that the humbleness of this adult who had said salam to him. 605.